Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, from the last 2 or 3 topic we are studying about the types of the chemical reactions. In the last topic we have discussed about the combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Today we will discuss about the displacement reaction. Displacement reactions are those reactions in which one element takes the place of another elements in a compound are known as displacement reaction. That means displacement reactions are those reactions in which a more reactive element takes the place of another element which is less reactive. For example, we have taken here copper sulfate CuSO4 aqueous plus zinc solid gives ZnSO4 aqueous plus copper solid. That means this zinc is more reactive than copper. It displaces copper from its solution. That means copper sulfate solution. Zinc is more reactive than copper. Zinc take the place of copper. It forms ZnSO4. That means zinc sulfate plus copper is separated out, because that means these displacement reactions takes place because when a more reactive element in a chemical reaction reacts with a non-reactive element, less reactive element, it takes the place of the less reactive element. That means a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element from its solution. This type of chemical reactions are called displacement reaction. As we take in another example, for example, when a strip of lead metal is placed in a copper chloride, then lead chloride. For example, here we take CuCl2. That means copper chloride. Aqueous plus Pb. That means lead solid. It gives, as this lead is more reactive than copper, this lead displaces copper from its solution, copper chloride solution. It forms lead chloride plus copper solid is separated out. That means lead is able to displace copper from copper chloride solution because lead is more reactive than copper. We can take more examples to show how these displacement reactions are taking place. The fourth type of chemical reaction is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? First of all, we will define double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions are those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reaction. I will repeat this once. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reaction. A double displacement reaction usually occurs in solution in one of the products being insoluble precipitates out. For example, we take an example to illustrate double displacement reaction. For example, when silver nitrate AgNO3 aqueous NaCl, we take two solutions. One is silver nitrate and second is sodium chloride. It forms AgCl. That means silver it reacts with chlorine, and this sodium reacts with NO3 nitrate. There is exchange of ions between these two solutions, silver chloride solid plus NaNO3. That means sodium nitrate is formed. So dear students, in the double displacement reaction, there is an exchange of ions between two solutions. That means where two compounds react by an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. We will take another example.